Hi friends, welcome to Shraddha Tutorials. Today I am going to solve third problem of first exercise from real numbers of class 10. Okay, what is exactly the third question is? An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members. Okay, in the sense 616 numbers has to march behind 32 numbers. Okay, army band of 32 numbers in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. Then what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay, now to understand this, let us first know what do you mean by a column and a row. Okay, now see, if these are the points I mentioned here, see, you can understand that this is the points which are in first row, second row and third row. Okay, and coming to the part of columns, I can say these, it means these numbers as these points are in first column, and these are in second column, third column, and these in fourth column. Okay, so arrangement of these in these pattern are called as column, and these are rows. Okay, I hope you understood that. Now they asked you that 616 numbers has to march behind 32 numbers. In the sense, first 32 numbers will be arranged in a number of columns. We don't know what exactly the number of columns, and we have to find, so that 616 will follow them. Okay, now in the sense, if I arrange 32 numbers in one column like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 32 numbers, then I can make 616 numbers also to stand one behind the other, so that how many columns I will be getting here? One column. But in the question they asked to give maximum number of columns. So if I arrange in one column, I can make 32 numbers to stand in one column and 616 in one column. So one group behind another group. So you will be getting here one column. If I make 32 numbers to stand in two columns, then how can I make 32 by 2 is 16. So 16 numbers in one column and 16 numbers in another column. So now I am having here two columns. Okay, so how I can spread this 616 into two columns? 616 means 308 in one column and 308 in another column. So now here 32 in two columns, that is 16 and 16, and 616 in two columns, that is 308. Okay, now I made it into two columns, but we don't know whether two columns are maximum or minimum. So we have to go for maximum. In the sense, there may be chances to go for 3 columns or 4 columns or 5 columns or 6 columns like that. Okay, but so we have to find HCF. Here see, maximum, they said they asked to find maximum. Maximum here is, so of these two values 32 and 616, if you find highest common factor, then that is the maximum number of column to be made to make these 32 member band group army band and these 616 to march one behind the other. Okay, yes. So now what we have to do? By using Euclid's division algorithm, we have to find the HCF, that is the maximum number of columns. Okay, yes. So how to get? We said something like, HCF of 32 and 616 is the maximum number of columns, in which they can march. Okay, how to find HCF of given numbers using Euclid's division lemma? So what we have to do? We have to take a larger value, that is 616 as A, and a smaller value as 32, and we have to go stepwise. Let this be step 1. So let we do a rough work. That is, in rough we will be doing long division method first. Okay, na? Yes, how to do. So 616 divided by 32. 32. Okay, so 32, if I go for 19 times, then I will be getting 608 and the remainder will be 8. Okay, now we have to represent these in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R, okay, as we have done in previous problems. Okay, now A, that is 616, is equal to B is 32 into Q plus remainder is 8. Since R is not equal to 0, we have to repeat. So repeat above step by taking A is equal to 32 and B is equal to 8. Okay, so means if we go for long division method, 8. Now 8 is divisor and A, that is 32, is dividend. So 8 is divisor and 32 will be here dividend, and 4 times you can divide. So 32 and the remainder is 0. So if we repeat a step again, means in step 2, A, that is 32, can be written as B into, that is 8 into, how many times? 4 times. You will be getting 32. 8 4s are 32 and the remainder will be 0. So if the remainder is 0, then B will be the HCF of the given numbers. Now here, since R is equal to 0, B is equal to 8 here is B is equal to 8 is HCF of 32 and 616. So HCF is 8 for 32 and 616. Therefore, maximum number of columns are 8 in which they can march. Here they means two groups, that is army band 32 numbers and contingent of 616 numbers. Okay, I hope you all understood the content what I have discussed in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.